Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data loads using Fivetran connector logs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify data loads using Fivetran connector logs, start by logging into your Fivetran account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your connectors. Identify the connector associated with the data load you wish to verify. Click on the connector name to open its details page. In the connector details, look for the Logs tab. Select the Logs tab to view the connector's activity history. You will see a list of recent sync events along with their statuses. Check for any errors or warning messages during the sync process. Review the timestamps for each sync event to understand the load timing. Identify the most recent successful sync in the log. Click on any specific event for more detailed information. Examine the payload size to ensure it matches your expectations. Look for any records skipped due to errors or configuration issues. If there are errors, refer to the provided error messages for troubleshooting. Make any necessary adjustments to your source or destination configurations. Once resolved, initiate a new sync and return to the log to verify the updates. Confirm that the new sync is successful and that all expected data is present. Periodically check the logs for ongoing verification of data integrity. This will help you ensure that your data loads remain consistent and accurate over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.